Hello students, welcome back to the class. I hope you all are fine. So today in this class we will do the last exercise from the ongoing chapter, that is exercise 59, and we will do the multiplication and division of masses. Okay, of mass. So let's begin with exercise 59. So in exercise 59 there are simple division and multiplication of masses. I am first doing question number 1, which is multiply 9.234 kg by 5. So we will do simple multiplication here. Without the point I am just multiplying 9234 by this number 5. Multiply. Now 5 4s are 20, 0 here 2 in hand, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17, 7 here 1 in hand, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11, 1 here 1 in hand, 5 9s are 45 plus 1 46. After doing the multiplication we will put the point. So how many digits are there after the point? 1 2 3 digits. So we will put the point starting from the right to the left. We will move 3 places. 1 2 3. We will put here the point. So it will be 46.170 kg. Okay. Next one is division. All the remaining two sums are simple multiplication. I am doing next division, question number 4. In division, we will divide the number with the point. You know the division of decimals. 48.080 divided by 8. Okay. So, we will divide it. So, 8 6 are 48. After that, we have to take down this 0. But before the 0, there is a point. So, we will first here put the point. We will take down the 0. So 8 zeros are 0. Then again we will take down this 8. So 8 ones are 8. Then we will take down this 0. So 8 zeros are 0. Okay. So 6.010 kg. 6.010 kg is the required answer. Okay. So that are simple divisions and simple multiplication. I hope you understood. Next, we will do the word sums on this multiplication and division. So, few sums are there, all are of same types. So, I am doing few sums from this given word sums. Okay. First, I am doing question number 7. Question number 7 is the weight of salt in a packet is 875 gram. What will be the weight of salt in such 25 packets? So, the weight of one packet is given, one packet of salt. We are going to find out the weight of 25 such packets. So, we have to multiply. Okay. So, what statement we will write here? The weight of one packet is 875 gram. Therefore, the weight of 25 packets, you can also write packet of salt, I am not writing of salt, is equals to 875 into 25 gram. So, in bracket I am writing 875 into 25 gram. So, here we can also find out the weight in gram. And we can also find out the weight in kg. First we will find out in gram. So it is 875 into 25. Simple multiplication. Okay. So 5 5 is a 25. 5 here 2 in hand. 7 5 is a 35 plus 2. 37. 3 in hand. 5 8 is a 40 plus 3. 43. Then 5 2 is a 10. 0 here 1 in hand. 7 2 is a 14 plus 1 15, 5 here 1 in hand, 8 2 is a 16 plus 1 17. So it will be 5, then 7, 8, 1, 2. 21875 gram. Or we can also convert it to kg. How? 21875 gram, you all know, by dividing it by 1000 gram to kg division by 1000. So the point will move to the left 3 places, 1, 2, 3. So it will be 21.875 kg. Okay. So 21.875 kg is the weight of 25 packets of salt. Okay. Next I am doing question number 9. Question number 9 is the cost of mangoes per kilogram is rupees 20. Asif bought 579 gram of mangoes. What did he pay for mangoes? This one is a little bit different. The cost of 1 kilogram or per kilogram mango is given, and we have to find out the cost of 579 gram mangoes. Kg mango, 1 kg mangoes cost is given, and we are going to find out 579 gram mangoes cost. So what will we write or what will we do here? We will convert kg, the unit kg to gram. Okay, in question number 9, we can write the cost of, instead of 1 kg mango, we will write the cost of 1000 gram mango, because we all know that 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. So in place of 1 kg, we will write the cost of 1000 gram mango is rupees 20. Okay. So first we will find out, this is called the unitary method. In unitary method, we will first find out the cost of 1 gram mango. Then we will find out the cost of the given mango, the given amount of mango. So here next will be the cost of, I told you in unitary method we first find out the cost of 1 gram mango. 1 gram mango. So what will be the cost of 1 gram mango? That must be less than the cost of 1000 gram mango. The cost of 1 gram mango must be less than the cost of 1000 gram mango. So we will have to divide this 20 by 1000. Since it's less than rupees 20, so we are going to divide 20 by 1000. Simply the cost of 1000 gram mango is 20, so the cost of 1 gram mango will be 20 divided by 1000. Rupees 20 divided by 1000. Now the cost of, now what we are going to find out? The cost of 579 gram mango. So it will be, now it will be more than, the cost of 579 gram mango will be more than the cost of 1 gram mango. So next we will have to multiply. Okay. So next what will be write? 20 divided by 1000 into 579. I hope you can see this. First the cost of 1000 gram mango is rupees 20. Then the cost of 1 gram mango will be 20 divided by 1000. And the cost of 579 gram mango will be 20 divided by 1000 into 579 rupees. Okay. Okay. Now first we will divide this 20 by 1000. You all know the cancellation rule. 10 will be cancelled, and 2 ones are 2, 2 50s are 100. So we can write here 1 by 50. Now 20 by 1000 means 1 by 50 into 579. So what does it mean? You all know it means 579 divided by 50. See one thing carefully. 1 by 50 divided by into 579 means 579 divided by 50. So now we are going to find out this thing, 579 divided by 50. So 50 ones are 50, remainder 7, then we will take down 9, again 50 ones are 50, remainder 29. Now 29 is less than 50. So what will we do? We will take here a point, and for this point we are taking here a 0. Now 55s are 250. Remainder will be 40. 40 is again less than 50. So we can take a 0 for this point. So we are taking here a 0. So 58 is a 400. Okay. So 11.58 rupees 11.58 is the cost of 579 gram mango. Okay. Rupees 11.58 is the cost of 579 gram mangoes. I hope this is clear. Next I am doing question number 10. Question number 10 is simple division. That is 0.848 kg toffees were shared equally by 8 boys. Means among 8 boys. Find the share of each boy. So when it is given that it is divided equally, then we have to divide. So 0.848 kg toffees were shared or divided equally by or among 8 boys. So one boy or each boy will get 0.848 divided by 8 kg toffee. Okay. So what will be the statements? Uh, 8 boys get 0.848 kg toffees. Therefore, one boy gets 0.848 divided by 8 kg toffees. So here I am doing the division. 0.848 divided by 8. So since one 0 is there and after that a point is there, first we will write the 0, then the point. Now 8 ones are 8. 4 is coming down. It is less than 8, so we will take here a 0 and we will take down this 8. 8 6 are 48. So 0.106 kg toffee will each boy will get. Again I am repeating, the answer is each boy will get 0.106 kg toffee. Okay. So I hope this is clear. Next I am doing the last one from this exercise, that is question number 13. That is, if the weight of 5 boxes of sweets is 6.250 kg, then how much will 2 boxes weigh? So the weight of 5 boxes of sweets is given, then what will be the weight of 2 boxes? So that again we will follow the rule of unitary method we will follow here, which is similar as question number 9. First we will write here the given statement that the weight of 5 boxes of sweets is 6.250 kg. The weight of 5 boxes of, or I am just writing the weight of 5 boxes is 0.625 kg. Sorry, 6.250. Sorry. 6.250 kg. First we will find out the weight of one box in unitary method. So the weight of one box is 6.250 divided by 5. 6.250 divided by 5 kg. So first I am finding out this answer, 6.250 by 5. Okay. So here I am doing the division. 6.250 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 1 remainder. We will take down this 2 and point is there. So we will put here a point. 5 2s are 10. 2 remainder. 5 we will take down. 5 5s are 25. And after that 1 0 is there. So we will put here a 0. So the weight of 5 boxes, one box is 1.250 kg. Okay, so weight of one box is 1.250 kg. Now we will find out the weight of such 2 boxes. Therefore, the weight of 2 boxes. So the weight of 2 boxes must be more than the weight of 1 box. So multiplication we will do, multiply this weight of 1 box multiplied by 2 kg. So here I am doing the multiplication without the point. Okay, I am doing the multiplication here. 1250 into 2. So 2 zeros is 0, 5 twos are 10, 0, 1 in hand, 2 twos are 4 plus 1, 5. 2 ones are 2. Now the point is, after the point 3 digits are there. So 1, 2, 3. We will put the point here. So it will be 2.5 kg. 2.500 means 2.5 kg. So the weight of 2 boxes of sweets is 2.5 kg. I hope this is clear. So this exercise is done and our chapter is also done, the measurement of mass or weight. So I hope you understood the chapter. So revise this exercises very well, and if you find any confusion you can call me anytime. So till the next video, take care and bye.